Today, we will discuss Trade Zero and CMEG. Active day traders are the target market for both brokers. Trade Zero focuses on short selling capabilities, whereas CMEG provides access to well known professional platforms. Take into account your preferred platform, fee sensitivity, and trading style while making your own decision. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Trade Zero focuses heavily on short sells, providing access to shares that are hard to borrow, encourages active day traders, services for quick finds, immediate markets access, offers numerous platform options. There may be occasionally a problem with platform stability because fees can add up. It's important to understand the cost structure. CBEG gives users access to trading platforms and tools of the highest caliber, appealing to day traders who are active and need sophisticated functionality. Access to tools such as Sterling Trader Pro and DAS Trader, direct access to the market, accessible to traders in the United States, may have increased platform and commission costs. Fees can be complicated. All in all, both offer access to trading platforms with sophisticated tools for analysis, order execution, and charting, high volume trading support with features like real time data and quick order execution. Both are made to meet the demands of high volume trading. The primary function of both brokers is to facilitate the trading of stocks.